Today we're making a full English breakfast. Now I've got it on good authority that a full English has plenty of scrambled eggs and plenty of fried tomato. So we're going to start by cutting some nice big slices of 4 Roma tomatoes. We also want some mushrooms with our breakfast too, so we'll slice up 6 of those. Now we'll crack 5 eggs into a mixing bowl with a spout, add in 2 tablespoons of whole milk, and around a half a teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper. Now we'll give that a proper whisking and set it aside while we cook up the rest of our veg. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and toss in our mushrooms. Fry those until they're nice and browned. I would also recommend cooking these at the same time you're cooking the bacon to save on time. I can't because I'm filming it, but if I was doing this at home, I would definitely cook them both at the same time. Now usually Full English has some thick cut bacon, but we don't make a thick cut halal beef bacon yet, so we're going to use our regular beef bacon. If you'd like to see us make a thick cut halal beef bacon, let us know in the comments and I'll share that with the development team. Cook that up to your preferred crispness. Off camera, I also set them in a pan, covered them, and then put them in an oven set to 170 so they stayed warm. I in part made this recipe because, much to my surprise, I found a can of those teal Heinz beans at a local grocery store, and the chance to try beans on toast was simply too strong to skip. This part is really easy, just heat up 1 or 2 cans of these beans. Next, we'll cook up one of my favorite products that we make, the breakfast links. It's not often you get a halal sausage, so this is always a favorite when I'm hosting breakfast. Get those nice and cooked through and set them aside, or put them on the pan and stick it in the oven if you're doing that. Let the fat cool, then remove around half of it. We'll use the remaining fat to fry the tomatoes. This will impart some of those tasty sausage flavors into our tomato. I decided to salt the tomatoes now, but that caused the moisture to be pulled out and made my tomatoes a little flimsy. They still taste fine, but if you want them to look a little bit nicer, fry them up first, then hit them with the salt instead. And while those cook, we'll prep the eggs. Toss a tablespoon of butter into yet another pan, melt it down, and pour in our eggies. Give those a nice little scramble. Some people like them a little more dry than others, so cook these to your preferred consistency. Alternatively, you could make these into sunny side up eggs instead, but it's whatever you like. And now that everything is all cooked up, it's time to assemble our breakfast, and what a breakfast it is. And thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you made it this far, leave us a comment, and I'll see you next week with another tasty halal recipe.